Guys, it's me again. I'm back with another video for you guys only. Yeah. And this video is super duper interesting one. Trust me, you guys gonna love it. Yeah. Why I'm saying this? First of all, I actually talked about it before. There are loads of accounts, loads of renowned page out there who actually counts monthly engagement of each and every GL couple, right? Yeah. And guess what Fayoko's ranking is? Let me show you guys the post and everything, then we are going to talk about it briefly. All right, here it is. Okay. Whoa. Right. Okay. Whoa, this is super awesome. Are you guys getting it? Oh my. Fayoko, you guys will always be famous. Don't ever forget that. I mean, think about it, guys. They are not, right now at least, they are not a screen couple anymore, but still they are in the top 5. Think about their impact. Think about it. Oh my, they could have done every freaking thing. They could have achieved anything, while being with each other, but Nine Star had to ruin it. They had so freaking much potential. They had so freaking potential right there, but Nine Star ruined it all. Sometimes I get so freaking mad over this fact, and it legit boils my blood. Think about it, guys. And not to mention our whole fandom. Oh my. Both Faye and Yoko actually got an amazing dedicated fan base, dedicated fandom. You can't deny it. You have to agree with me on this. This is on another level, guys. Thank you guys for that. This is super duper awesome. As I said, I just feel so bad and sad about the fact that they had so much potential, but somehow Ninester didn't utilize all of this. They actually, did throw it away. It's super horrific, I would say. Yeah. Wait, the video is not the end. Let me show you guys another thing. A poll is going on the Twitter right now. Let me show you guys this. Here it is. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, is the poll for your fave couple. Which couple you do want to vote? Go and vote. Guys, I'm in dilemma because I love every couple out there, and I have bunch of Twitter accounts actually. So I'm gonna use my other accounts, and I'm gonna, you know, you know, pick every couple out there. I don't want to left any of that. I don't want to leave any couple right there. Man, the struggle of multi-stena. Don't come after me. I mean, it's not a crime. It's not a crime to support every GL out there, right? Yeah. Imagine the power that Faye Yoko would hold together. It's so freaking pathetic, so freaking horrible that everything that happened with Faye Yoko and the whole fandom as well. I always say it. It's not about actually Faye Yoko only. It's about the whole fandom as well. Nine Star not only betrayed Fayoko, but they actually directly betrayed the whole fandom. That fandom that were with Nine Star throughout the whole time. When Nine Star was in a really bad condition, they were going through so much, our whole fandom was there for Nine Star. And guess what that shippy company did? Guess what that evil company did afterwards? how they actually repaid, you know, the whole dedicated fan base. They actually sued over 150 Thai fans. You guys already know it. They directly betrayed the whole fandom. I'm not even talking about Yoko here. Of course, they betrayed their artist. Oh my. It's on another level of effed up. The way Ninst actually messed everything up, I just feel super sad. Super sad. And as I already said, both Faye and Yoko could have done many series together. They could have, achieved so much together. I mean, think about it. In the short periods of time, they actually won so many awards back to back. And not to mention, even after that, just few weeks ago, both of them won couple awards. Don't forget that. So it legit speaks volume. I really don't know why Nansta did that. They actually stepped themselves with that move. Separating Fayoko was their biggest wrong move ever. And they were not even giving any new project to Fayoko. I mean, it's the all over thing. We have actually talked about these things bunch of times, several times, but I somehow feel it is still not enough. I want to talk about it more and more. How Fayoko deserved better. How Nine Star really did not treat them, well, properly. Yeah. It's really unfortunate for Fayoko and the whole fandom as well. Our whole fandom was there. Our whole fandom was prepared to support both Fayoko no matter what. But now everything is ruined. Anyway, now let's talk about something else. So what's your opinion about it and what's your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section. And guys, again, don't forget to vote for your favorite couple. Let me give you guys another hint right there. Fayoko right now is got the actually most vote. They are in the first position, at least for now. So I'm just giving you guys a hint, nothing else, right? So yeah, go and do whatever you want to do with that information. As I said, I'm going to vote for every couple out there from my, various Twitter accounts. Man. Anyway, so yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, of course, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do like, comment, share, and do subscribe. Share this video with others. Let everyone know. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very soon, with new update, with new video. Till then, take care and keep smiling, and of course, keep an eye on the channel for regular update. I'll see you guys soon. That's for sure. Very soon. Yeah, take care, guys. Bye.